I was being interviewed on a podcast yesterday. We were talking all about support and how it's so important after betrayal to have support, but the right type of support. And I was saying how the wrong type of support actually does more harm than good. And what I found is there are a few things that happen. Let's say you find some kind of support group or whatever. I have seen people actually sabotage their healing because they don't want to outgrow their group. I have seen people sabotage their healing because they don't want to outgrow their betrayer. I have seen people stuck because all they're doing in therapy, in couples counseling, is unpacking their situation, their scenario, without a strategic plan to move forward. So yes, they feel heard, but that's pretty much it. They revalidate their pain, they revalidate their experience. Yes, you need to feel heard. There's a very important place for that. But you also need to strategically and consistently move forward and move into the next stage. So, within the PBT Institute, we have a very specific type of support, and it's to lift and inspire. And it's so interesting because we see people who, in the beginning, they don't even have their cameras on, they're not contributing, and we're wondering, are they paying attention? They're definitely showing up, and are they multitasking? Is that why the cameras are off? And then eventually we see the cameras are on. And then eventually they're asking questions. And we notice how the ones that participate the most and who engage the most grow the fastest. So when people ask me all the time, how long does it take to heal from betrayal? Willingness is the absolute most important factor, so much more than almost anything else. Because if you are willingness is so huge because many people are not. If you are willing to let go of the story, all that it gives you, everything else, you absolutely can move out of the most common place to get stuck, which is stage 3, and move into stage 4. But it takes the right type of support, one that encourages you to heal, not one that feels like it's losing you if you heal. So anyway, support is crucial. Be very careful of the type of support. One can help you move to the next stage. In the 5 proven predictable stages from betrayal to breakthrough, one can absolutely keep you like crazy glue stuck to stage 3, the place where many people stay for life. So you don't want to do that. You've been through the worst of it already. Anyway, if we can help you with that, reach out. I'm here. It is all about moving through the stages. Just because you may have found yourself in stage 3 does not mean you're supposed to stay there. That's not what you're supposed to do. Stage 4 and 5 are waiting for you when you're willing to let go of the story, let go of that sort of lame support group that's keeping you stuck, and everything else that's keeping you stuck. Anyway, here to help. Hope that helps.